Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how websites and mobile apps become so easy and enjoyable to use? Why do some applications feel simple and intuitive while others are confusing and frustrating? The answer is user experience design, commonly known as UX design. User experience design is the process of creating digital products that are easy to use, visually appealing, efficient, and enjoyable for users. UX designers focus on understanding people's needs and designing products that provide the best possible experience. One of the biggest benefits of UX design is improved customer satisfaction. When a website or mobile app is easy to navigate, users can accomplish their goals quickly, making them more likely to return and recommend the product to others. Another important benefit is increased business success. A well-designed user experience can increase customer engagement, improve sales, reduce customer complaints, and strengthen brand loyalty. Businesses that invest in UX often gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. UX design also helps reduce development costs. By identifying usability problems early in the design process, businesses can avoid expensive redesigns after a product has already been launched. Another major advantage is accessibility. UX designers create products that are easier for people of different ages, abilities, and backgrounds to use, making technology more inclusive for everyone. Today, UX design is essential in banking, healthcare, education, e-commerce, entertainment, government services, travel, and almost every digital industry. Every successful website, mobile application, and software product depends on a great user experience. As businesses continue investing in digital products, the demand for UX designers continues to grow. Organizations around the world are looking for professionals who can create products that customers love to use. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical UX design training that equips learners with hands-on experience in user research, wireframing, prototyping, usability testing, design thinking, and modern design tools. Our practical approach ensures that you develop real-world skills that employers and clients value. Our mission is not only to teach technology, but to help you become self-reliant. The practical UX design skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure employment as a UX designer, product designer, or digital experience specialist. You can also work remotely for companies around the world, build a successful freelance design career, provide design consulting services, or establish your own digital agency. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The future belongs to digital products that people enjoy using, and skilled UX designers are helping shape that future every day. By learning UX design today, you're investing in one of the most creative and rewarding careers in technology. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach design, we empower people with practical skills that build careers, create thriving businesses, generate sustainable income, and transform ideas into successful digital experiences.